Ka CSC Academy hakas nginengkong jong katayo. Kala penong ya ke program ban penkuburam ki kena school na po East and West Hills District. Kebelawan syakamat ke online examen. Bela penong dekat CSC Academy ke CSC Olympiad 2.0. Kebalong si bentaban pelirat ki kena school sebagai digital examination dan ke online exam. Ya ke program la penong kapo multipurpose hall ke office DC Hamau Sawa. Hakan ni kecing yalang lawan banyak dan benta dekat Deputy Commissioner juga Eastern West Hills District kekong Anita Kharpor kum kekong San harangkat Muhammad Azizuddin Principal Consultant juga CSC SPW ubah inong pri edisi juga district lembat kinong hikai ki principal ki kana school na ki school baper bat ki kimi ki pa hapa keren kecing yalang kekong Anita Kharpor kalkadeu halor kecing dan kampan kentiu bat ban ai cingkershan yaki kana bagi day kalaway jeng imang salang bat kalaong bagi day kecingket kli jeng iban ai por bat ban ai lat i kena ban kieu seprang kelapan pauru i kecingket badai lang bagi kecingket relang ki pai ba la ban pendrus pa susu i kepuli putih hadu ki caka ki badang duna ki lat jeng nang jeng start.
We used to have the science exhibition, we used to have quizzes, we used to have painting competitions, whether it's by forest department, whether it's by the election department, whether it's by the science and technology cell of the state. We are always happy to see students coming forward. And we know the capacity of the students of Eastern West District. You always shine. Okay, like in this very Olympiad, we have one of the students who secured 100%, which is quite, it's a tremendous achievement. And many of you have scored in your 90s, your 80s, in your 70s. Maybe this is the first time, I hope, that we are having such an event. It's the first time for you students participating in this Olympiad. So there are still more to come in the future. So we'd like to encourage each and everyone to participate. We know the efforts of the teachers behind the success of the students, and we would really like to congratulate all teachers for your untiring efforts, for your dedication, and for your encouragement, taking the pains along with the students to enable the students to take part in this Olympiad and come out with flying colors. So I think we have Ma'am DC here as the co-chairman and advisor of the Officers Club. So I think, ma'am, with your permission, we can still help the students if they want to participate in the future through Madam Officers Club. We will try to make your registration free, of course, and we would like to see hundreds, thousands of students from this district participating in this event. We really know your capabilities, we really know your capacity, so we have no doubt those who cannot achieve 100% in the last Olympiad, try again, give your best, study hard. Any book that you see, any newspaper that you get, any magazine that you can see, just grab it and just read anything. This quote by B.B. King, which is given here. The beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away from you. It goes through till the end. Whatever we have learned from childhood, most of the things we can still remember, we can still recollect, and it's still there in our minds and in our hearts. So we would like to congratulate all the successful students, and please keep on trying, and we'd like to see more and more students from the district taking part in the future Olympiads, which will be conducted, and in each and every competitions that will be organized in the district. So thank you.
The purpose of Olympiad, we have two objectives. One objective is we want the children to be exposed to the digital examinations, online examinations. In the big cities, children are used to this, but in rural and deep rural areas, there are many children who are not having opportunities to practice on this type of exams. So we thought we should provide a platform to the students, especially who are in rural and deep rural areas, so we can try to expose them to this online or digital exam. That's how the idea of Olympiad has come. Number one. Number two objective is many of our children, especially in rural and deep rural areas, they don't get exposed to all India level. We are exposed to district level, maximum state level, but all India level exposure you don't get. In all India level, where you stand, that opportunity you don't have to see. So we thought we should have a platform. Again, Olympiad, it's an all India platform where students from all over the country, this year more than 5 lakh students have appeared, madam, pan-India. And we are very happy to say that from your district, more than 500 students have appeared out of those 5 lakhs. If you see the proportionate, it's really a very good number. That's why we thought we'll have a program here, because of the contribution. So so these are the two dual objectives for the children to get used to online exams, because in future we are going to have only online exams, no more that sitting and writing. So we thought we should expose children to that. And second, like I told you, at the national level, all India level, where we stand. That's what now we know where our children from Iran stand at all India level. I'm very proud to say, madam, generally Khasi people, I had my studies from here. So generally Khasi people means mathematics and science, they are scared of. They feel they can't. But that myth has been broken by our two students here. One, we have among us Miss M.A. Cooper Dakar. Can she stand? Where is she? She was 100% in the examination. Very few in the whole country, and he is the one who has achieved, breaking the myth that even Khasi people can top in mathematics. Thank you. Congratulations. We have Elbakman Mobley. Where is? And that's a very good achievement, and time also very short time she took. It's an objective type of examination, and she has done in a very record